Hello everyone, welcome to Gyan's Oracle Debut tutorial. In this video, we will learn how to create table space without auto extend on data files user and grant permission to the user. So what is the auto extend table space? So you can set a table space to automatically extend itself by a specific amount of size. Like when it will reach the size limit, so it will automatically increase the extend the size to a specific amount. Okay, so if you do not enable auto extend, then you are the alerted with the table space reaches its critical or warning threshold size. So now I'm just creating the table space without auto extend on. So this is the process. So let me open the command prompt, cmd, then first step by step we'll go. Log into your Oracle database. So how to log into your Oracle database? I already created the video. Here we can see sqlplus slash sysdba. So I connected with the Oracle database. Increase some size. Yeah, seems better. So connected with the Oracle database, and next I'm going to check the path of the data files. So I'll write down here select name dollar data. So it will give you the data file path. So my data file path is the C app Chirag Aura data ORCL, and there is a these are the dbf is the data files. So next I need to create the table space. So you will get the location of the data files. So I already create the location. So I will create a new data file in the same location. As Chirag is the data file table space name, and also user is Chirag, and creating the data file with 1 GB of size. So as I creating the without auto extend. So I'm not writing the auto extend, and here is the create table space Chirag. Okay, this is the Chirag is the table space name, and data file name is Chirag1. So, and user is also Chirag. Let me open. So just run this query. So create table space Chirag data file, and I'm giving the data file path name. Semicolon, enter. Let me check. Okay, size is not specified. So here I have to write the 1 GB of size. Forget to write that. Go to the same size of 1 GB. Okay. So just I am going to the given path. So table space is created. So see here Chirag1 data file is created with the 1 GB of size. Okay. So I'm going to the next. So table space is created. Now creating user for table space. Now create user identified by Chirag, and this is the I'm giving the password also Chirag, and default table space is Chirag. So table space Chirag is coming from here. Let me open that. Create user Chirag identified by Chirag default table space. Its name is Chirag. Yeah, user is also created. User is also created. Next, I have to give the DBA permission to the Chirag so that I can access the file. Grant succeeded. Now check the path of the that Chirag DB1 that file is created or not. Already we check the path. Chirag DB1 DBF is already created. Next is let me check the data files. Select name from is the data file. So see Chirag1.dbf is created. If you go to the previous one, here Chirag1.dbf file is not there. So we created the data file. So in this video, we created the table space without auto extend on and data files user and grant permission to the user. So what is the auto extended table space? You can set a table space to automatically extend itself by a specific amount when each reaches its size limit. Okay. So if you do not enable auto extend, then you are the alerted when the table space reach its critical or warning threshold size. Okay, so first we logged in with the SQL Server, sqlplus with the Oracle database, and here we just check the data files and we created the data file with size of 1 GB, and here we given the created the user, given the password, and assigned to the table space. And next is the grant DBA to the permission to the Chirag, and we check the path of the folder where the data file is created. Okay, thank you.